Hey boo! Thanks for joining me. So today I am doing a voiceover because I just think that's a little bit easier for me to do right now. Anyways, we're packing on this funky shade right into the crease. I'm just kind of patting it in and then I start blending it out just a little bit just because I don't know, that's just a little bit easier for me. I keep building and blending this same color up, again just blending out the edges and building the color in the crease. And I didn't really speed this part up because I wanted to show you guys how I blend and what motions I do and all of that stuff. Blending takes time, guys, so just take your time and be patient. I keep building my colors up because when I blend, the color just gets washed away, so you gotta keep building and you gotta keep blending. After you feel you've blended out your edges pretty well, then you go in and pack in Wasted onto the crease. Again, you build that shade up and you keep blending. After this is blended out, then you pack in liquor over that previous purple. This is just to like deepen up the crease a little bit, you know what I mean? Also, the reason I was telling you guys that voiceovers were just a little bit easier for me to do was because, I don't know, I feel like that way I'm just able to explain to you guys a little bit better, like what I'm doing, the steps, just everything. Like I'm just able to tell you guys exactly what I'm doing. And I can't really talk, I don't know about you guys, but I can't really talk when I'm doing my makeup, okay? So plus you guys are able to see everything better. In case you missed it, I added that Wasted shade onto the crease on top of that shade just to bring that purple back. What I'm doing now is blending everything out with this shade Funky. Just make sure all your outer edges are blended out. And then we are going to cut the crease. Well, I'm going to cut the crease. And I cut it with concealer. I use the LA Girl concealer, the yellow one. So the way my crease is set up, I have to kind of lift my eyes or like raise my eyebrows. Lift my eyes, LOL. But yeah, I raise my eyebrows and I just keep doing small strokes. If you have trouble cutting your crease or doing this type of shape on your eye, do small strokes like I'm doing. That will just help you not mess up as much. After you have your shape down, you don't have to fill in the rest of your lid with concealer because we are putting some shimmer on there. So I just go and set the concealer with some setting powder. And after that, I put some NYX glitter glue on my lid, forming the shape that I want. And honestly, I like to use this glitter glue for my shimmers because I feel like it makes it easier for them to go on. I feel like it makes them pop a lot more, and especially if I use this brush, girl. So just go ahead and fill all that in. Make sure you got everything covered. Be very careful to not put any shimmer on the part that you put concealer on because we want that part to be clean. To finish up the eyes, we are putting some liquor, the shade, on the lower lash line. Dust yourself off. Don't forget the mascara. Your falsies. These are from 11 Lashes. I will list everything that I used down below if you guys want to check anything out. I never go without my inner corner highlight, so for this I am applying Pink Me, which I will also be applying to my brow bone. Also make sure to blend those highlights in. this completes the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for joining, and again, if you recreate any of my looks, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram so I can give you a shout out and post you on my highlights. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.